You are listening to National Weather Service. Today, heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. A tornado watch is in effect. Wow, the sirens are going on. That means there is a tornado on the ground and Houston, Texas must take shelter. The National Weather Service in Houston, Texas has issued a tornado warning. Meteorologists detected a large tornado that is very strong. The wind speeds are currently unknown at this time. Take shelter in the basement. If you don't have a basement, hide in the bathtub or in the closet and cover yourself with pillows and blankets.
On our top story news, that we are experiencing a tornado outbreak in Houston, Texas, and it looks like the storm is going to get pretty bad out there, and it is going to be very serious.
Jeff, I saw one of the tornadoes rip the glass office building.
Oh my God, how can this get any worse? Folks, do everything in your power to protect yourself.
Today a storm like this is very powerful and apocalyptic. 3 tornadoes struck in Houston, Texas, but 2 more tornadoes formed. The total is 5. There are lots of injuries and fatalities. Everyone get into the tornado cellar. God bless Houston.